All right, good morning, everybody. Friday, finally made it to Friday. I'll do a real quick scan here. I'm looking, I really like this buy coming up on Microsoft. So let me give you that first, just in case we get triggered. All right, so Microsoft, we're looking for a nice buy up here at 239.60. I'm going to go ahead and mark that. 239.60. Give us a nice HF1 buy. I'm going to put it at 239.59, just right below that, because it could hit that and take off. All right, let's watch that. All right, so we're going to continue on. We're going to change some things up next week. We're going to start looking at some different markets, but right now we're going to continue on with our mini Russell, which is RTY. I'm going to watch the mini NASDAQ, which is going to be your NQ. GC for gold, then C for natural gas. Then on the currencies, continue to watch Euro US and US Yen. Stocks, continue to watch Apple, Microsoft, GM, and Home Depot. We do have a buy right now going on the mini Russell. The mini Russell. Going to put a fairly tight stop on this reversal, because if it does reverse, it would be an HF1 short. But it is a buy right here at this level with a reversal short at 1679. 1679. $16.79. And let's see, target would bring us up to $16.94. $16.94. So in terms of pattern, this is what they'll call just a regular, we call it a pairing pattern. It's not real strong, but there is a buy. When I look at the overall markets right now, everything is up. Probably going to get it's going to be a mixed opening. But we ran our scan last night, and of the stocks that have the patterns that are set up, because we have 4 different patterns that we're looking at here that we run our stocks against, and we look at 12,000 different stocks, and we're getting a majority of those are going to be short today. So overall, usually that indicates market's going to end up being down for the day. So we shall see on that. So I want to use a pretty tight stop here on this Russell, and it's good entry, low risk, good profit target. Getting a short on the gold also. Getting a short on the gold. All right, target on the gold is going to bring us down to 1668. 1668. So our profit target is going to be 1668 on this gold. We'll reverse if she comes up to 1680. All right. So no longer a buy on Microsoft, so we're going to remove that note. And let's see here. All right, still no buy yet on Microsoft. We're going to watch it. Looks like Microsoft wants to pull back down to around this about 238. So we'll see if we get that pullback. Gold is short. RTY is long right now. Pretty tight stop on that, and reversal here on RTY if we hit 1679. Morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? All right, still short gold, long RTY. I think we're going to have a quieter opening. Overall, though, when we ran our stock scan, it looks like the majority of our patterns are set up for shorts today on these stocks. So we'll see. Usually that indicates that the overall market is going to be down for the day. It's not a real strong probability. I think we're somewhere in that like 60%. So it's not a real strong probability for the overall market, but we do have quite a few stocks setting up for a short today. And let's watch RTY because it could trigger an HF1 short. $16.79 would be an HF1 short on the mini Russell. All right, so we have several patterns that we look at. We're looking at HF1, 2, and 3. HF1 typically is going to be our strongest. So we don't use indicators. Everything we do are based off of specific patterns that we've developed over the years. And this HF1 is a really nice pattern once it gets set up. Don't get a lot of them, but we do get it from time to time. This would also put us into watching possible short coming up on the mini NASDAQ. If it comes down a little bit more, that'll set us up for an HF1 short. Let's get a target on that. Let's see here. Yeah, we get this mini NASDAQ down to 1182.5. That'd be a nice short. 1182.5. All right, 1182.50. That'd be a nice short on that NASDAQ. All the indices are down. They were up earlier, now they're all down. Personal spending came out this morning, and it was up a little bit, actually. So personal spending was up. Let's see. Yeah, it was up 0.4%. Previous, that's for August. Previous was minus 2%, so up a little bit. Personal spending, Personal income slightly up 0.3. Previous was the same, so no change there. We did see quite a bit of activity. You can see come back over here when this report came out. Back over here at 7:30, just, and this is a 5-minute chart. I mean, a huge spike up, huge spike down. Just crazy. Look at your euro. 7:30, just a huge spike down, huge. Then it came all the way back up. So, a lot of volatility on that report this morning. All right, so just a little quiet in here right now, so we're just gonna hang tight. Yeah, I think Glenn, you said it's going to be nice in the northern plains. I think it's going to be nice here in Texas. Yesterday was pretty nice. Last night was really nice. I think we're in the 70s, so that's really nice. So it should end up being a nice weekend. All right, gold's coming down nicely. Target once again on gold is 1668. Once again, the target on that gold is going to be 1668. All right, we're still along that RTY, which is your mini Russell. Really tight stop. We enter down in this area right now, so very low risk trade for a buy because we're close to an HF1 short. All right, so those are really strong if it does get triggered. 1679 would be that short. And also we'd get out of that long at that point. Let's see, mini NASDAQ. Nice HF1 short coming down here as well. $111.82.5. That would set us up a nice HF1 short. No trades on it though, no positions yet. So we're just long RTY and continue to stay short on the gold. Not seeing anything in the currencies yet. Nothing on natural gas. On that 5 minute, you see those double carrots? Double carrots, Fred, we've talked about this before. This is a 5 minute chart. Those double carrots, strong little setup there on double carrots. Typically says that the next 5 minutes is going to be down based on the opening, wherever it opens. So that's a nice little 5 minute short on the gold. All right, so we still have some time before the opening bell, about another 13 minutes. All the indices seem to be down right now, so probably going to get a pretty, but I think we're going to see a quiet opening on the Dow, so we'll see. I don't expect a big opening on the downside. Not seeing any setups on the stocks. Glenn, you're seeing a slowdown in employment, really? They say, I heard there was a shortage of workers. Everybody's looking for somebody to work for them, which I don't understand that. With interest rates and everything, you would think that people are out there getting second jobs and stuff, but it's just not happening. Interesting. Let's look at our Dow chart again. Once again, I still think we're going to come down and fill up these lows. I'm not saying we're going to do it today, but we still have that gap. See that gap right there? I think we're going to come down, take out these lows here and fill up this gap. Is it going to do it today? You know, Fridays can have some pretty big down days. So I'm not saying it's going to do it today, but it's certainly within the probability it could take it out today, and if not, maybe next week. But these gaps are like magnets. They really eventually pull price to them. Problem, well, there's a lot of different ways you can trade gaps. But the thing about gaps is sometimes they get filled within 2 or 3 days. Sometimes it could take a month. In this case, long time. This is back in, wow, this is back in November of 2020. So what, almost 2 years. They fill up this gap. This is crazy. And then you see these gaps over here back in June. This one didn't get filled. This one got filled a couple weeks later. This one took probably, almost a month. So anyway, so that's what I'm thinking. I think the Dow's coming down. I think we're going to get this gap filled up here. We're so close, so I think that's what we're going to be seeing. All right, about another 7 minutes to go here before the opening bell. We're getting close on RTY. Taking that short on RTY. Got a also on the mini NASDAQ getting short to an HF1 short as well. $16.79 is going to be that HF1 short on the on RTY over here. Mini Russell. Watching the 111.82.5. That has set us up for an HF1 short as well on the mini NASDAQ. Short going on the euro right now. Let's take a look at this euro US.
Reverse sell.
Just went short on the mini Russell. Euro US, if I can get this to you fast enough. It's a 97.41 short on the Euro US. Still short on gold. Okay, looks like Apple's coming down. It just took out an HF1 short on Apple. Let's see if we can project down a low on this Apple. 140, 140.63 pullback. 140.63 is where I see Apple going. 140.63. Okay, NQ went short. Mini NASDAQ also got a trigger on the short side. So I got an HF1 short on RTY, got an HF1 short on NQ target. Let's get a target on RTY. Dog is going crazy in the background. I heard something outside. All right, so target on RTY is going to be 1674. 1674 is our profit target. Okay, and so on RTY, 1674 target. We'll get a target here on this mini NASDAQ. Mini NASDAQ target. And we're getting ready to open the Dow. 111.45. And it's going to be its profit target. It won't reverse unless it comes up to your 112.57 and a half. All right, so short RTY, short mini Russell, short the mini NASDAQ, short mini Russell, short gold. Yeah, not much on the Dow. Dow down 80, now down 71, 75. Pretty quiet opening. All right, no going that short on the euro. We got out of the euro. No trades on the euro, no trades on the yen. right, still waiting on RTY, still short RTY, still short the mini NASDAQ, short gold. Dow's down 57. I wouldn't be surprised to see the Dow go green for the day and then maybe later on hit it on the downside. Oh, you're not seeing a slowdown. Yeah, you're not seeing a slowdown up there. Well, they're looking for people here in Texas. They're looking, I know a lot of companies are looking for employees and they can't find them. So I don't know. Dow's down 162, starting to break. Tried the rally, couldn't do it. It's breaking now. Should help our R2Y over here on the short side. Mini NASDAQ, still short mini NASDAQ, short gold. Getting close to target on R2Y.
Profit target hit.
Okay, mini Russell hit target. Still short US Tech. Target on US Tech. Profit target is going to be 111.45. Still short gold. right, come on, mini NASDAQ. Mini NASDAQ's target is going to be that 111.45.
Profit target hit.
All right, mini NASDAQ did hit target. Profit target, still short gold. Still looking at a 1668 target on gold. Apple's getting close to that pullback level down here. Let's take a look at that. $140.63. We hit that 140.63, so we hit our pullback level on Apple. All right, the only thing I have on right now is short. Just short of gold, that's it. Nothing on the indices. Not seeing anything on the currencies here. For overnight trades, we had no overnight trades last night, so had no pattern set up last night. Our overnight trades are something that we send out to everybody every evening. Those are trades you put on the night before and you just let them expire the following day. They have been doing really, really well. Also, we have been offering it as a standalone service. That actually ends tomorrow. So if you're interested in that type of trading, it's pretty much you set and forget the trade. You put it on the day before and you let it go to the following day. You can look at the results at innovatortradingstrategies.com. It's only $50 a month. You get an email every night with the trades. And I do personally trade them and done very well with them. But it will no longer be offered as a standalone service after, well, actually today is the 30th, yeah, so as of tomorrow, it goes away. So today's the last day to get in on it. It will not be available after November 1st. It will be continued to send out to anybody that purchases one of the packages, or if you're an existing member, you'll continue to get those every evening. That's something that we do free of charge to people that have purchased one of our packages, and or if they're active in the live trading room. All right, I'm kind of watching this gold to see what this gold's going to do. I'm watching this gold up here at 1680. Would set up for an HF1 buy, but I am short, and I think I'm going to put a little bit more gold on right here on this pullback. All right, sold a little bit more on the gold. Low risk on this add-on here, because I will get out and reverse at 1680 on the gold. Getting a buy on the mini Russell. HF2 buy. Target's moving fast on mini Russell. Buy came in at 1684, and we're just going to go up here to 1689. Dow's down 61, just, typical up and down. Okay, so you got a buy going on the RTY mini Russell, short on gold. All right, let's get a reversal on this RTY. RTY comes back down to 1674. That would be a place to get out and reverse. All right, we are still on RTY. Short gold. Pretty quiet right now, just kind of hanging tight.
Profit target hit.
All right, profit target was hit on RTY. Still short gold. Dow's down 111. All right, we have about another 5 minutes, 4 minutes to go here before top of the hour. Still short gold. That's all I have on right now. Short gold. We get a fairly good number of trick-or-treaters. Somebody's asking if we get a lot of trick-or-treaters. Yeah, I would say we get a pretty good number of trick-or-treaters. It's not like it used to be years ago, you know. But fairly good number, the really young ones. And then sometimes late at night the teenagers come out, right? Okay, so we're here at the top of the hour. That's going to end it for today. Once again, if you would like more information on the way that I trade and my strategies, you can go to YouTube, a lot of videos there. Or you can go to my website, innovatortradingstrategies.com. We will continue on next week on Monday. As always, it's going to be at 9 a.m. Eastern. That's going to be 8 Central. First hour is always free, and then we continue on in our live chat room with our subscribers. So everybody have a safe weekend. And hopefully for our subscribers, we'll see you back Sunday night. For everybody else, we'll see you Monday morning. Y'all take care.